Let me tell you a heartwarming story that happened in a lush green forest. There lived a playful monkey named Max who spent his days swinging from tree to tree, gathering fruits and watching the world go by from his favorite branch. One particularly windy autumn day, Max heard a faint crying sound coming from below. Curious, he climbed down to investigate and found a small injured bird named Luna. Her wing was hurt, and she had gotten separated from her flock during their migration south. "Please help me," Luna chirped weakly. "I can't fly and I don't know where my family is." Max had never taken care of a bird before, but seeing Luna's frightened eyes, he knew he had to try. Without hesitation, Max gently scooped up Luna and carried her to his treehouse. He made her a soft bed from leaves and brought her the juiciest berries he could find. Each day, Max would tend to Luna's wing, telling her funny stories about his adventures to keep her spirits up. As days turned into weeks, Luna's wing slowly began to heal. Max taught her simple exercises to strengthen her wing, and they spent hours practicing short flights from branch to branch. Their friendship grew stronger with each passing day, and soon they were inseparable. But Max knew that Luna needed to reunite with her flock. He had heard from other forest animals that the birds would return through this same forest in spring. Although it made him sad to think about Luna leaving, he knew it was what was best for her. When spring finally arrived, Luna's wing had completely healed. One morning, they heard the familiar calls of her flock passing overhead. It was time for Luna to leave. With tears in her eyes, she turned to Max and said, "You saved my life when I needed help the most. You're not just my healer, you're my true friend." Max watched as Luna soared into the sky to join her family, his heart both heavy and full. But this wasn't the end of their friendship. Every year during migration, Luna would stop by Max's treehouse, bringing stories of her travels and spending a few precious days with her dear friend. Their story spread throughout the forest, teaching everyone that true friendship isn't about who you are or where you come from. It's about being there for someone when they need you most, even if it means putting their happiness before your own. And to this day, if you visit that forest during migration season, you might just see a monkey and a bird sharing berries and laughter, proving that the strongest bonds are forged in times of need. Thank you all, my dear sweet champs. Subscribe for more like this type moral stories. Like, comment, share.